Did you know arrays are vital in Python? They organize data and enhance coding efficiency. Let's learn to create an array step by step. First, import the array module with from array import array. This provides necessary array tools. Next, choose your data type. Python arrays can store integers, floats, or characters. Use prefixes like I for integers to enhance efficiency. Now, let's create your first array with Rx array I, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tal. Here I indicates integers and the numbers are your data. To access array elements, use their index. For example, print rd shows the first element. Indexing begins at 0. Imagine storing game scores in an array. This simplifies calculating averages or identifying the highest score. In summary, import the array module, specify the data type, and access elements using their index. Now it's your turn. Start coding with arrays today. Subscribe for more programming tips.